This is the ugly, dirty truth about buying used sneakers from the GOAT app. I recently sold a pair of Air Jordans and I regret it. The reason why I sold them is because they didn't fit me. They were a size 10. I needed an 11. This sneaker was not fitting me. I tried to make it work. I was squeezing my feet in there and just got sick and tired of it. So I went and sold the shoe and I bought the sneaker back in my size 11 on the GOAT app, and I went the used route on these because the price of a new pair is just way too much money. If you want an expensive pair of sneakers, I recommend taking a look and seeing if you could find a worn pair, a clean worn pair, good condition, with everything that you want with them, whether that be the packaging, the laces, OG all, or hey, just the shoes themselves. I do recommend going the used route sometimes because it will save you money. You will still get the sneaker that you're after. You'll still be able to wear it. You're not going to lose tremendous value on them wearing them compared to a brand new dead stock pair. Sometimes, depending on the shoe, if you undead stock a brand new pair, that can be sometimes hundreds of dollars, depending on the shoe, maybe even thousands. It's absolutely ridiculous and sometimes just not worth it. I know some people are not crazy about buying someone else's sneakers that they put their foot into that's worn. Some people might find it disgusting, or why on earth would I do that? Well, to answer some of that, I recommend doing it A, to save money, you still get the shoe, and B, take care of it, right? You can disinfect the shoe, clean them, do what you gotta do so the shoe looks almost as brand new as possible. What I like about GOAT compared to other apps is GOAT allows you to buy used sneakers, which is awesome. They show you pictures of the shoes. When it comes to the pictures, there are some dark hidden truths about the pictures. We'll talk about that in this video. I'm very excited to get this pair of sneakers in. I had to sell the pair size 10, but I got them back from GOAT. Let's unbox them. Sneakerheads, get yourself a Sole Premise sneaker bag. As you guys can see, I have my sneakers inside of this backpack. I also have room for my clothes, my laptop, chargers, and a bunch more. Sole Premise has a bunch of sneaker bags, from backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags. And the best part is all of their bags are 40% off, almost half off, when you use my code DannyMoore at checkout. Click the link down below, use my promo code DannyMoore, and send me a DM on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, with your order confirmation. I have a surprise for you. Thanks, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. So I did open the box already because I thought this was another package, but it's the GOAT package, and I was not expecting it. So here we have the box. This is a Jordan box, as you guys know, and yes, size 11. My last pair was a size 10. I was making it work, but I got tired of it. For so many years, I just got tired of it. I had the shoe when they released. It was a must-have. These sat hard. We're going on sale, and I think, yeah, the retail is on here. Retail is $220 back in 2016, which at the time for a Jordan Retro was too much. We had foam posits and other good sneakers releasing for $220, even less. This was an expensive pair of Air Jordans back in 2016, especially, only at retail, that is. Nowadays, $220 seems almost normal, right? That's the norm. But back in 2016, it was a lot for a Jordan Retro to retail at $220. I'm very excited to open these up. All right, so we have the GOAT card and sticker, which is nice to see. Let's open these up. These did take, it's been a week and a half, almost 2 weeks since I placed the order, which isn't bad. I'll talk about the process that the sneakers go through in just a minute, so you guys have a firm idea of how GOAT used actually works. And we'll talk about the hidden dark truth behind it. But here we have them, the Air Jordan 3 2016 True Blue with that beautiful Nike Air on the back. It's very nice to have these back. Okay, the pictures look about right. There was some paint chipping a little bit. I'm kind of expecting it on a used pair of these, and a brand new pair is instantly going to chip at this point, so it is what it is when it comes to the paint chipping on the midsole, but it's not even that bad. They could use a little cleaning. You know, there definitely is some dirt marks, some scuffs on them, A little bit of creasing on the toe box there, but it's not too bad. The inside's pretty clean, so that's good. I'm not going to smell them because they're used. I'm not going to do that. I will be disinfecting these using some wipes, some spray, and they'll be good to go. That's basically what you got to do with your used shoes. When you buy a worn pair, just disinfect them, and you should be good. You should be fine to wear them. There is some paint cracking there, which the pictures did show, but it didn't show all of that on that side. So, let's talk about pictures on Goat app, because pictures can be very deceiving. Let me explain what I mean. It's very easy for anybody to do, if you really think about it. Anybody can take pictures, make them look really good, put them on Goat, wear the shoe, then when they finally sell, ship them off, not upload new pictures of what they currently look like. It's easy to get away with. It's too easy to get away with. Goat needs to do something about that, because it does seem like that is the case on this pair, because these were not nearly as chipped on this side, especially in those pictures. So, yeah, that sucks. That does suck. This is a like $500+ sneaker in my size, brand new, which is ridiculous, and that's crazy. It's not something I would do for a True Blue 3. So for me to pay $180, I'll take it. You know what I mean? At $180, I saved how much money, guys, compared to a brand new pair? Hundreds of dollars. You see what I mean? Sometimes it just makes sense to go the used route instead of buying the brand new route. What I personally do, this is just my opinion, is if the shoe is $50 or less, then I'm just gonna buy it brand new. If the price difference between a worn pair and a new pair is like $50, I'll just go the brand new route. If it's like 100, definitely hundreds, like it is in this case, then I'm gonna go the used route. That's just what I do. Let me know what you guys do when it comes to used shoes. I know people that won't even undead stock a shoe. All they'll do is buy used and continue to wear it. If it's dead stock, they're not gonna wear it. I know sneakerheads that are like that. Let me know down below in the comments if that's you. The process that used sneakers go through on GOAT is the same process that StockX uses, that eBay authentication uses, the same thing that regular GOAT shipping uses. Not the instant ship, the regular buy now, purchase price on GOAT. Meaning that you, the buyer, place the order for the sneaker, the seller ships them off to GOAT, GOAT authenticates them, make sure everything is correct, and then they ship it off to the buyer. The middleman. Same exact thing when it comes to the used shoes. However, the one big downfall that you need to look out for with the used shoes is that sales are final. There's no returns on GOAT on used shoes unless the shoe's fake or some drastic thing, I'm sure, but there's no returns when it comes to used shoes on GOAT. So with that being said, watch out for those pictures, because pictures on GOAT can be very, very deceiving. And there are fakes on GOAT on the GOAT used section. Will they pass GOAT when you buy them? Probably not, no. Right? They're not gonna pass. You'll get your refund, but it still allows you to purchase and make the process, and it sucks that they even allow that. It does slip through. There are fake sneakers on GOAT, on the used section, that is, on the used section, but it's not actually gonna pass when you buy them, and you're not gonna wind up getting them in. It's just gonna wind up being canceled because the shoe is fake. GOAT's gonna call out being fake when they get it in, and you're just gonna get your money back, and that's it. So, if you know your shoes or can tell in pictures, that's definitely a big plus. If you don't know, you may not want to buy, or be careful when buying, because pictures can be very, very deceiving on the GOAT app on buying used sneakers. It absolutely sucks. Like I said, that big flaw is somebody can actually just put up the pictures, go wear the shoe, do whatever they want, and then send it off to GOAT when it does sell. And they wore the shoe even after those pictures were taken. Don't do that as a reseller. That's a no-no. Take the pictures as the shoe is in the condition that the buyer will be receiving it. Make sure those pictures are up to date. Don't wear your shoes after you list them for sale. That's just silly. And it's not a good look for your business. It's not a good look for anything. So please do not do that. GOAT, I really wish they can fix that. But to tell you the truth, it's not something I don't think is really that fixable, to be honest. When it comes to online, It's not really fixable. You just gotta hope for the best and hope that what you're getting is what the pictures actually show. In this case, yes, but also no, because I didn't see some extra paint chipping that was here on the shoe in the pictures. They didn't really zoom in on it great at all. They made it look a lot better than it was, and it's just the way it is. I'm not mad. I'm still happy with the purchase. I did save hundreds of dollars going the used GOAT route, so I still recommend buying GOAT used sneakers. I think it's still a plus. You just gotta be on the lookout. Be careful with those pictures because they can be very, very deceiving. The best thing to do is look for a nice, clean pair, and if GOAT winds up getting a pair that looks absolutely nothing at all like the photos, then they're just gonna cancel it and you'll get your money back. But if you're buying a worn pair, a good amount worn pair, the person could wear them more, not really do too much to them, and then ship them off to GOAT when they actually do sell. And that's just sucks. It's deceiving and it's not a good look overall. So yeah, GOAT, I hope they can fix that one day, but overall, I'm happy with this purchase, and this is the truth, the dark truth about buying used sneakers from GOAT. It's the ugly truth, guys. Pictures can be deceiving, and there are fakes up on the GOAT used section. However, they won't pass GOAT when they come in, so be on the lookout for that. Know your shoes, right? Try to be knowledgeable when making a purchase, and you'll be in much better condition. Not 100%, but you'll be in much better condition if you really know what to look for. I'm happy, I'm thrilled. I got my True Blue 3s back in my sneaker collection, this time in my actual size. So these are gonna fit me great, and I'm excited to wear them, beat them up more than they already are, and more paint cracking, because that's just gonna happen to the shoe. I am noticing now that this left shoe is a lot less cracked. There's almost no cracking, to be honest, on this left shoe compared to the right shoe that definitely has more cracking. Like I said, these pictures were deceiving. The seller must have shown a lot more of this shoe than they did the right shoe, which absolutely sucks. There's a lot more paint cracking on this pair than there is on the left. But it is what it is. That's what you get when buying on GOAT. You don't truly know what you're gonna get on the GOAT used section until you get it in hand, and by then, there's no returns. That's the truth. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. Don't forget to make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and give me a follow over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. I'm giving away a pair of UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s, so make sure you guys give me a follow and make sure you guys subscribe. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.